Unaona hiyo pickup yako, hiyo Nissan Hardbody or simply the Nissan NP300. We have its headlight here with us. This is a brand new, it's never used, brand new straight from Japan. It's an OEM part. This one does not come with bulbs. Naona si haina bulbs, but you can see the connectors here. Yeah, haina bulbs, does not come with bulbs, but you can use the ones from your existing, from your old headlight, or you can simply sell to you the LED bulbs. So this one actually goes for 20,000. It's suitable for 2001 all the way up. You can check with your car well. We are located in Kitengela. We do deliveries. This one kuja na 20k tutakupea each, ama kuja na 40k na tutakupea both of them. This is Rhino Auto Hub. Our number is there on the bio.